Cell tower. A cell tower is the tall structure that helps phones connect to the mobile network over a wide area. It does not carry calls through wires to your phone. Instead, it sends and receives radio signals between your device and the network. Towers first became important as mobile phones spread, and they later grew more advanced to handle more people at once. They are important today because they make mobile communication possible across cities, roads, and neighborhoods. Antennas. Antennas are the parts on the tower that actually send and catch the radio waves. They are placed at different angles so the tower can cover more direction and more users. One tower can handle a lot of phones because the antennas split the area into smaller parts. That helps the network stay organized and reduces traffic on the signal. They are the real link between your phone and the tower. Base station equipment. Base station equipment is the electronic system that controls the tower's signals. It is usually found in cabinets near the tower or in a nearby building. This equipment turns the radio signal into data the network can use, then sends data back out to phones. In simple terms, the tower holds the antennas, but the base station does the thinking. It matters because without it, the tower would have nothing to manage the connection. Mobile phone signal. A mobile phone signal is the small radio message your phone sends to the nearest tower. When you call, text, or open the internet, your phone looks for the strongest nearby connection. It does not send the signal into the air randomly. It sends it in a controlled way to the tower that can hear it best. This matters because it is the first step in every mobile connection, whether you are making a call or loading a page. Frequency bands. Frequency bands are the different radio lanes that cell networks use to carry communication. Some bands travel farther, while others carry more data but cover a smaller area. That is why towers often use several bands at once. Older networks used narrower roles, while modern networks spread work across many bands for speed and coverage. They matter because the same tower has to serve people close by and far away without turning into a traffic jam. Backhaul connection. A backhaul connection is the link that carries information from the cell tower to the rest of the network. It usually uses fiber cables, microwave links, or other high-capacity lines. The tower may handle the local wireless part, but the backhaul carries the data onward to the internet or the phone network. It matters because a tower without backhaul is like a road that leads nowhere. The signal must still have a path to the bigger system. Handovers. Handovers are what let your phone switch from one tower to another without dropping the call. As you move, the network keeps checking which tower has the strongest signal. When another tower becomes better, the connection shifts quietly in the background. You usually do not notice it happening. It's necessary because it is what keeps calls, texts, and internet use smooth while you are moving. Small cells. Small cells are short-range mini-towers used in busy places like shopping areas, stadiums, and dense neighborhoods. They do not cover as much land as large towers, but they help where many phones need service at once. Cities often use them to reduce congestion and improve signal quality. They matter because modern networks are not built on tall towers alone. Smaller nearby nodes help the system stay fast when too many people are connected. Conclusion. All of these parts work together every second without most people noticing. The tower gives height, the antennas handle the radio link, the electronics process the data, and the backhaul carries it onward. When all of that works properly, a simple phone connection feels instant.